Aloha, my friend. I was just sitting right over there in my comfortable spot and decided to walk all the way down to the water's edge and cool down just a little bit. Now that I've been over here in the water, I'm thinking to myself, wow, it's kind of a long walk all the way back over there. I wish I had a simple button that I could press that would just take me right back over there, just like I do in Excel. Whenever you're working in Excel and you scroll away from your area and you want to get right back to that work area, just press Ctrl Backspace and bam, you're right back to the work area you scrolled away from. Wow, there's so many shortcuts in Excel that wish we had in real life. I wish I could just Ctrl Backspace my way right back to my spot. Remember, my friends, don't get mad, get skills. Aloha.